Greetings, friends. I'm geofatboy for shavenation.com. Okay, it's time for a review of the new Shave Nation razor right here, and this will be visible and audible as requested. Let's take a look. It's blue up on the top cap. The safety bar down below is satin, silver, and you can see open comb on one side, closed comb on the other side. The handle, smooth right up at the top, tapers from thin to thick, and then vertical lines running down the handle for easy grip, and then horizontal lines at the bottom of the handle or the base of the handle, also for easy grip. And then very bottom, you got SN right there at the bottom of the handle. You can see the underside of the safety bar. It says Shave Nation under there as well. Let's disassemble. It's a three-piece razor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 turns to unscrew, so it's pretty quick to unscrew. Here's a look at the underside of the top cap, and then here's the bar, the safety bar. You can really see the closed comb and the open comb. And then you can see the Shave Nation on the bottom as well. It comes with 5 free blades. Astra, Shark, Derby, Feather, Gillette. Of each one of those. So you can start shaving right away and quickly find your favorite of those 5 blades and then stock up on those blades. So I will start with a feather blade just because, why not? Here it is in the paper. Let's remove it from the paper. There it is. I'm going to drop that right over the threaded post and the pins like so. Now the safety bar with the logo facing outward, and then reinstall the handle. Tighten it down, lock it down, check that blade alignment on both sides. It's even on both sides. You can easily see that. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 1.75 ounces or 49 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches or 100 millimeters. So it's long enough to drop in the palm and spin while you shave. Very comfortable, feels great in the hand. Also, if I might say, it's pretty appealing to the eye as well, my opinion. You can add yours down below. Let me know what you think. We'll make it a festive shave. We're going to use Taylor of Old Bond Street Peppermint Shaving Cream today. Let's unscrew the cap. Got my Shave Nation Artisan bowl soaking in hot water. Pouring out the hot water. Here's the bowl. Also a festive color. We'll take my scoop spoon right here. I'm going to scoop out a little bit of this. About that much right there. Just covering the spoon, dropping it right down, right into the lather spot at the bottom. Prowaso Omega shaving brush, a very reasonably priced brush. It's about $19.99, less than 20. Under the hot water. Less than 20 US, that is. Under the hot water, give it a couple shakes. Come right up in here and just press down on that soap in that lather spot and start swirling. This soap's a little bit old. I think it might be from last year, so it's a little bit harder than when it usually comes out of the jar new. That does tend to happen. They will harden up a little bit over time, but you can still generate a good lather and get a great shave from it. I'd say a lot of shaving creams you can get a couple years from them. It seems like the harder they are, the more they're going to last, the longer they're going to last. So I got a good amount right here, good amount of lather already. Just going to add a little bit of water and just swirl a little bit more. Just friction from the tips of the brush down into that lather spot on that soap. Generates quick and large amounts of lather like that. Very nice. Smells really good too. Peppermint. I'm just getting over a cold and I can still smell it, so it's a good peppermint scent. Let me warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whew, you can see my face is good and red. Let's lather up. Grab our brush and our bowl. Copious amounts of lather. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Let's lather up. Starting on the right, working our way over to the left. Dabbing, painting, swirling, however you like to do it. Do what works best for you. As long as you cover all the areas you intend to shave, you're good. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe the neck. And what's next? You know it. Clear the runways. All right. I'll leave my fingers wet. Here's the razor, easy to grip, under the hot water. Now I'll start with the open comb side right here on my 2 or 3 day beard growth, which I have. If I had 1 day beard growth, I would just go with the closed comb, but I'll go with the open comb right now. Just cut that sideburn. I just apply a slight amount of pressure, keeping the blade in contact with the skin. Open comb side will be a little bit more aggressive. You can see all that stubble. Let's rinse. Rinses out very quickly. Rinses out very quickly and easily. Other side, cut that sideburn. Your angle is just where the blade, the top cap, and the safety bar all come together. Just mimic that angle. Cleft. You can see how the open comb allows some of the shaving cream and debris to flow through. Rinse. Now right down the neckline. Rinse. Rinses out super easy. Rinse. Just scoop right under the nose. Gets right in there. Both sides. Rinse. Now just a quick face rinse. Grab our brush and our bowl. Again, let's re-lather for the second pass. Plenty of lather still. Figure 8. Smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Alright, now we're going to shave with the closed comb or flat bar across the grain. Opposite direction. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Just stretch the skin by tilting your head upward, keeping it flat and tight or taut. Rinse. Under the nose area, just start with the corner on an angle. Clean those hairs out and then lay it flat. Same thing on the other side. Clean it, lay it flat. A little cleanup. Feels very comfortable. I feel like I can't cut myself with this razor. Another quick rinse. Let's go for a against the grain on the cheeks pass. Again with the closed comb side. Stretch the skin with your opposite hand. Don't scrape like this. Just find that perfect angle where you can find that sweet spot and you get some feedback, audible feedback. You know it's working. This gets you super smooth on the cheeks. Rinse. More audible feedback on this side, I feel. I think my beard is slightly heavier on this side. Rinse. Now a final cold water rinse. Ooh, baby, that cold water feels great. On the peppermint, very refreshing. All right, let's take our Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Recap that, set it down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Again, that cold water feels great. At the face dry. All right, we'll go with, sticking with the green, the Parasso Professional Size Aftershave Splash. Get a little bit in the palm right there. Got a very small hole in the tip, so easy to regulate. Ooh. There you go. Slight sting, very cool, very refreshing. Very nice shave. Mustache, chin, cheeks, neck, everything looking good. Let's take a final look at the razor. If you want to pick up this razor, just go to shavenation.com, enter in the search box SN2866, and it'll pop right up. As far as aggression on this razor, I'm going to say that the open comb, I'm going to give it 6 to 7, and then the flat bar, 4 to 5. So if you're an everyday shaver, that flat bar side is perfect for you. If you have heavier beard growth and shave every couple days, the open comb side will be perfect for you as well. Just an all-around, very good everyday shaver, no matter what your beard growth. And very simple, no switching plates, no adjusting. Just flip from the open comb to the closed comb. Very simple. It's a no-brainer. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 800 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Hey, didn't even notice my shirt matches the razor pretty good, doesn't it? I didn't even plan on that when I put this shirt on. I like it though, it's good. Oops, I'm back, I forgot to mention. The razor comes with 5 blades. It comes with the razor itself and also comes with a matching stand, a satin stand. All anodized aluminum. It drops right in. Perfect fit, as you can see. On the bottom of the stand, Shave Nation as well, matching the underside of the top cap. Right there. Same logo on both. Stands up easily, takes up very little space on your sink top. One thing I forgot to mention, there is no blade overhang on this razor. Check that, nothing on the side. Nothing on the side. So no way you're going to nick yourself or cut yourself on the outside edges of the blade. Just thought I'd mention that. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate it safely and enjoy. We'll see you next time.